where my name don't mean nothing. Diesel gay niggas walk around mean mugging. Dinner tray, chopped chicken with the green onion. Niggas rumble till they see that shirt team coming. Got fiends running trays with the rice on. Chow hall, fresh tea with the nights on. Cute CEO chick with the nice form. Doing standard head count with the lights on. They light on, older niggas talking sad to me. Scared niggas bring their commissary bags to me. My chick letters reminiscing about the past to me. I'm trying to get her send some pictures of her ass to me. This stretch longer than giraffes to me. I got programs but can't get into them. So many cellies I can't remember them. My max date be niggas minimal. That mean them niggas in it for a long time. Them niggas just be chilling like it's all fine. Some brag about their murders and their hard crimes. Some got life cause they caught them with the wrong line. State boot skippies and shower shoes. Staring at the clock just watching the hours move. Staring at the calendar watching the days go. The days turn to months turn to, you know. Thinking about it, verbal starting to take a toll. My minimum came in weak and they still ain't giving me parole. The floor in the shower dirty, the walls covered in mold. The hot water is broken, they made us wash in the cold. I asked the Lord, why me? Why me? He said, cause I took trapping, that's my hobby. Then he asked if I could change, I said probably. I woke up to the sarge yelling, don't forget your ID. This nigga looking like he wanna try me. I'm 6'1", and this motherfucker 5'3". But I'm small crime, he down for the homie. That escalated from a deal turn robbery. My French voice, I ain't worried about nothing. Thanksgiving tray, I'm just worried about stuffing. Peanut butter jelly, so my bread I'm tucking. Niggas sick cause they bitch stayed out fucking. Niggas stressing ass around me. In the yard with my niggas from the county. Watching for my enemies so they don't try to down me. These COs